Magandang araw po. Ang magiging paksa po natin sa araw na ito ay ang mga nakarang pangyayari na makikita po natin sa pahayagan, telebisyon, social media. Manghihiram po tayo ng mga larawan o mga video po sa mga balita na nangyari po sa mga nakaraang panahon. Karagdagan pong kaalaman at gagamitin po nating uh, kasangkapan para po sa ating ginagawang pag-aaral. Noong pong 2012 po, ang Pilipinas po at ang bansang China ay nagkaroon po ng tinatawag na standoff sa Scarborough Shoal, na kung saan po ang Scarborough Shoal po ay parte po ng teritoryo ng Pilipinas na nasasakupan sa dagat, kung saan ito po ay inaangkin ng bansang China. At dahil nga po dyan, nagkaroon po tayo ng tinatawag na backdoor channeling sa pamamagitan po ni dating Senador Sonny Trillanes. Siya po ay inatasan ng ating presidente para po maibsan po yung tensyon na namumuo doon po sa Scarborough Shoal. At dahil po dyan, papanoorin ko po kayo ng isang video na makikita po sa social media na ito po ay inulat po ng, hindi po ako nagkakamali, ng grappler. Atin pong hihiramin panandalian ang ilang video clips po para po sa ating pag-aaral. Kung mapapansin niyo po, si Senate President Juan Ponce Enrile ay kinwestiyon niya po ang dating Senador Sonny Trillanes. At ang pag-question niya naman po yon ay ayon po yun sa parliamentary procedures. Parliamentary procedures are the accepted rules, ethics, and customs governing meetings of an assembly or organization. Their object is to allow order, deliberation upon question of interest to the organization, and thus to arrive at the sense of the will of the majority of the assembly upon this question. Ang pag-interpolate po o pagtatanong po ng isang mambabatas ay isa po nilang obligasyon. Ngunit pag ang tinatanong po ay about national security, pwede po itong gawin sa executive session. Ngayon, hiramin po natin ang balita sa narinig at napanood natin sa social media. Simulan po natin pakinggan ang kanilang usapan.
But you have met them 15 or 16 times. For what reason, we do not know. Are you becoming a fifth columnist of the Chinese in this country?
The Senate President is not able to evacuate talks and replies.
I think you have a duty to inform the people.
I've already informed the people, but not the Senate President. I'd like to inform the Senate President. And on this line of questioning, it is irrelevant. And this line of questioning to me, I will have to say that I refuse to yield anymore.
No, I'm asking you a question. You went to China, you asked the ambassador of the Philippines there, Madam Brady, for a meeting, and you said, do not take notes during our conversation. And you called the Secretary of Foreign Affairs a traitor. In fact, you told me that you did treason.
Yes, it was an executive session. That's
And I will
what's
read,
happening in
you want, I will read on the record the conversation with Brady and Ms. Jones with the Department of Foreign
it's
Affairs.
supposed to be a confidential matter.
Yes, but that's not
So,
confidential.
even in the executive meeting, cabinet meeting, in the cabinet meeting in Malacanang, Mr. President, I will refuse to answer it.
Because you cannot answer the
No,
questions I'm
because
going
it's
to ask
going
you
to
about
be
your
improper
meeting.
in this particular interpretation.
Because you cannot answer
I
the
can
questions
answer,
I'm going to
I
ask
can
you.
answer, but I won't be baited into that trap.
You met,
The
you
point
met
here is, Mr.
Brady,
President, this is,
Mr.
however,
President, this gentleman,
Mr. President, in that
Yes,
case,
honest.
I will refuse to yield the floor anymore
well,
for
in that case, I
any
will read it.
interpretation.
I will read it to the record, the record of the notes that Mrs. Brady, or Ambassador Brady, wrote about your conversation with her in Beijing on August 12, 2012. You want me to read
Point
this?
of order,
You want me to read this?
point of order, the Senate President may reveal sensitive information pertaining to foreign relations and national security. And I believe it is out of order because some of this is
I'm not answerable to anybody.
That's a
What
point
I
of
say
order,
is
Mr. President. The Senate President knows.
all right. And I have here the white paper which has been writing about the Secretary of Foreign Affairs. Well, 17 August 2012. You cannot take the heat. It's a coward. Senator Trillanes requested that no notes be taken. That's one. Two, what the Chinese want is to tone down the rhetoric. They met the night before, Mr. President, with the senior Chinese and NFA official. Mr. President, excuse me, point of order. Yes. Mr. President, I guess the point of English. Senator Trillanes has the law, and he refuses to answer.
Kung mapapansin niyo po, nagsalita po si Senator Alan Cayetano. Bago po siya tumayo, napansin niyo naman po na si Senator Trillanes ay tumatangging sabihin ko ano po yung mga kanilang naging negosasyon o transaksyon sa China. Kaya po si Senator Trillanes ay na-question. Kung mapapansin niyo po, bago ko po ni-stop yung video, ay kinu-question po ni Senate President na isang beses lang daw niyang pinayagan si dating Senator Sonny Trillanes na pumunta sa China. Pero bakit daw nagkaroon ng mga kasunod pa rin mga pagpunta sa China. Kinu-question po ni dating Senate President Juan Ponce Enrile ang mga sumunod na pagpunta ni dating Senador Sonny Trillanes. At ngayon nga po, dahil nga po ayaw sagutin ni Senator Trillanes yung katanungan ni dating Senate President Juan Ponce Enrile, dahil ang sabi nga po niya, masasagot naman daw niya, pero it's a matter of national security, kaya hindi niya puro pwedeng i-divulge or i-disclose yung naturang mga pangyayari sa pagitan nila ng mga negotiator. Ngunit dahil nga po sa uh, parliamentary procedures na pwede pong magtanong yung mga mambabatas, dahil in aid of inquiry nga po na kanila yung dapat na gampanan bilang mambabatas. Kaya po niya tinatanong si Senator Trillanes na tinanggihan naman po siyang sagutin kahit naman po na kaya niya raw sagutin dahil nga po it's a matter of national security. Under the 1987 Philippine Constitution, Article 6, Section 11, a senator or member of the House of Representatives shall, in all offenses punishable but not more than 6 years of imprisonment, be privileged from arrest while the Congress in session. No member shall be questioned nor be held liable in any other place for any speech or debate in the Congress or in any committee thereof. Yung nga po, hindi kahit kailan po raw, hindi po raw pwedeng arestuhin nga ang isang mambabatas kapag ang Kongreso po raw ay nasa session. Ito po ay karapatan ng mga mambabatas na nakasaad po sa ating konstitusyon. At pwede rin naman po talaga na hindi po sagutin ni Senator Trillanes si Senate President kung ito po ay nasa ilalim po ng pagbabawal nga po dahil nga po sa national security. Nakatala rin po ito sa Article 6 ng Legislative Department ng 1987 Philippine Constitution, Section 22. The heads of the department may, upon their own initiative, with the consent of the President, or upon the request of either House, as the rule of each House shall provide, appear before and be heard by such House on any matter pertaining to their departments. Written questions shall be submitted to the President or the Senate or the Speaker of the House of the Representatives at least 3 days their scheduled appearance. Interpellation shall not be limited to written questions but may cover matters related thereto. When the security of the state, security of the state or the public interest so requires, and the President so states in writing, the appearance shall be conducted in executive session. Yun po. At yan nga po, para malaman nyo po, yan din po ang sasabihin po ni Senator Cayetano. Ang section po ng Article 6, Section 22, Article 6 ng 1987 Philippine Constitution. Pakinggan po natin siya.
Yes, Mr. President. you speak to the Filipino people about? I will just read these notes of Mrs. Brady about this meeting with Trillanes.
Dahil nga po dyan, kaya po tumayo si Senator Alan Cayetano ay para sabihin lang na pwede naman daw gawin sa executive session dahil napakasensitibo po raw nung negosasyon na ginagawa ni Senator Trillanes. Dahil ayon po kay Senator Trillanes, ang bansang China maaari po mag-react kung ano man po ang alalabasan po ng mga bibitawan pong mga pananalita ni Senator Trillanes tungkol po sa negosasyon na gaganap po sa China at sa pagitan po ng Pilipinas. Dahil ang bansa po China baka masamain po nila ang resulta o yung kinalabasang pag-uusap na sila po ay talo po doon po sa ginagawa nilang pag-aangkin doon sa teritoryo ng Pilipinas at baka po gumawa sila ng mga marahas o violenteng aksyon. Kaya po ito ay isang sensitibong pag-uusap na maaari pong gawin to sa executive session. Ngunit may karapatan din po naman ang isang mambabatas katulad ni former Senate President Juan Ponce Enrile na questionin po kung ano man po ang mga naganap na pangyayari doon sa kanilang transaksyon o negosasyon. At hanggang dito na lang po muna tayo at maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsubaybay sa ating pong ginagawang pag-aaral. Huwag niyo po sanang kalimutan na mag-subscribe, share, and like para po sa susunod na mga i-upload ko po, kayo po ay ma-notify. Maraming salamat po at yun na lang po.